Morning students, today we discuss about protocols used for chatting and video conferencing such as VoIP. VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol and it is used for transferring of voice over the internet or over the IP. The voice calls are first digitized, compressed, and then fragmented into small packets, which are then relayed by the internet protocol or a cross network over a network. Data is transmitted in the form of packets. VoIP uses packet switching technology for transferring data. In packet switching technology, each packet follows the best route to reach the destination. VoIP allow both voice and data communication to be run over a single network, which can be significantly reduce infrastructure cost. So what is VoIP? VoIP is a method of converting analog audio signals to digital data packets that can be transmitted over the internet via IP rather than via the public switched telephone networks. Voice first converted into digital signals, then it is transmitted over the IP and then on the internet. So what happens in a traditional voice calls? In traditional voice calls, voice is first digitalized, converted into digital signals, and then transmitted over either through wires or through towers. So VoIP is also known as internet telephony or broadband telephony or broadband phone services. It supports real-time full duplex digital voice over the internet. Full duplex means whenever you send data over the internet, first of all you establish a connection between the sender and the receiver, and if the receiver is free, he will send you the acknowledgement message or a message that route is clear and you can send the data over the network. So after that you can start transmitting. Possible to make either PC to PC call, PC to telephone calls or telephone to telephone calls using VoIP. You can call PC to PC, PC to telephone or telephone to telephone. However, in the world today, it is not used only to make phone calls but for general communication over the internet. For example, fax, video files, we can do video calls, video conferencing, etc. It is only possible due to VoIP. The services provided by VoIP are phone to phone, PC to phone, phone to PC, fax to email, email to fax, voice to email, IP phone, transparent CCS, toll-free number, call center applications, VPN, wireless connectivity, etc. So, the protocols used for VoIP are H.323 and Session Initiation Protocol SIP. So in summary, we can say that VoIP is a protocol which is used for transmitting voice, data and multimedia data over internet protocol. It uses high speed broadband internet connection. So this is all about the VoIP protocol, and the protocols which are used with VoIP are H.323 Session Initiation Protocol, which we will study in a next class. Thank you.